Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Okay, today we're going to look at the Kingston Pier project. It's almost finished, and as you can see, very beautiful view. So this road was recently renovated to a dual carriageway. It's almost finished, just needs some markings, the white lines. And they built the retaining wall to the right to protect the shoreline, and they also built the boardwalk right before the wall, which allows people to walk along the pier. On the left is the General Penitentiary, or GP. It's a prison. It was built hundreds of years ago, and as persons have said many times, this real estate is so nice. It's like prime real estate to have a prison there, but the cost of moving a prison or building a new prison would be so great that I don't think it can be done right now. Okay, this area now is central Kingston, and it's the Raytown area. On the right is a fishing village where you can go and buy fish. They call it the Raytown Fishing Village. So we're going to turn around, make a U-turn, and head back to the pier to take a look at the progress of the new road. Also, Kingston has the largest population. It's a very small area, so the roads leading into and out of Kingston are heavily used. So you need modern roads so that traffic can flow easily and not have any backlog. So on the left is the Raytown Fishing Village, and I also have the Raytown Fishing Beach. Okay, the official name for this project for the road is the Port Royal Street Redevelopment Project. And as you can see, this will be a place where persons can come and sell their fish. And we can take a better look at the boardwalk. Here you can see people out fishing, enjoying the view. And here we can get a better look at the boardwalk. Very nicely done, very modern looking. Of course, across the road is a prison, which is like an eyesore. As you can see, the road is nicely paved. It has been expanded, so persons driving into Kingston should have no problems read traffic. It looks like 3 lanes, and you can see the skyline of Kingston ahead. A lot of development going on in downtown Kingston. Grace Kennedy recently built their building. That's the one on the right with the 100 on it. That's now their head office. The building straight ahead is the Ministry of Foreign Affairs. The government recently built that building. Very nicely done. And of course, Bank of Jamaica is probably the most popular building in downtown Kingston. We also have the Air Jamaica Building, which is a high-rise building. Ironically, Air Jamaica is no longer flying, but the building still has a name, Air Jamaica. It's owned by the government of Jamaica and run through the UDC. Okay, the building all the way to the left, that is Bank of Jamaica. The one beside it is the Scotia Bank Center, and beside that one is the Ministry of Foreign Affairs. Okay, this looks like an accident. Not very sure. Okay, they have a flat tile. Okay, so you can get a better look at the buildings now. And these buildings form a very nice skyline or view for downtown Kingston. Very modern looking. This one straight ahead is the Ministry of Foreign Affairs and Foreign Trade. This is what should be done. Every government ministry should have a modern looking building like this, and these government agencies should stop renting offices from, like in New Kingston, so many government agencies are there, and what they pay in rent for that, they could easily invest in building a building. Okay, on the right is the Air Jamaica Building. As we said earlier, you can see this very popular symbol. Air Jamaica used to be our airline in Jamaica, and it was one of the nicest airlines in the world. But for financial reasons, they had to close. But I can personally say it's the nicest airline I've ever flown on. Alright, on the left is the Scotia Building. We're on Port Royal Street, and Port Royal is a town in Kingston, but Port Royal Street is not associated with the town of Port Royal. It might confuse persons who are not familiar with the area. So Port Royal Street is in downtown Kingston. Port Royal is a town on the other side of Kingston, in East Kingston, close to the airport. And Port Royal is the historic area of Jamaica with the fort, and we'll do a video of that area another time. But it's very historic, well known around the world. Okay, straight ahead is KFC, and this intersection is King Street, which is probably the most popular street in downtown Kingston. Okay, on the left, I'm not sure if you can see it in the camera view, that's the Digicel building. Digicel recently built that building, and it's now the head office for Digicel in Jamaica. Okay, if we turn left, we go on to Ocean Boulevard. If we go straight, we will continue on Port Royal Street. We're going to turn. Okay guys, thanks for watching the video. Remember to like, share and subscribe. Have a good day.